Aluminium is a very easy metal to work with. It is very soft, it's easy to cut, it's easy to file, and it's easy to drill. I've got a few examples here of some aluminium. This is aluminium checker plate. I've got some 10mm thick aluminium plate there, and then I've got a few offcuts of some more bits of aluminium here. Cutting aluminium can be hazardous. The actual dust that comes off aluminium when you're cutting it is toxic. Also, the dust that comes off aluminium is also explosive. For that reason, you have to be really careful when you're cutting aluminium. Ideally, if you do need to cut it, you should use an hacksaw or a jigsaw, something with teeth. That way the particles that come off it are quite large and they won't pose any significant health risk to you. You can cut aluminium using an angle grinder, but it is not advisable because of the dust that comes off. It's toxic and it is explosive. If you do need to use an angle grinder to cut aluminium, you are much better off using a stone cutting blade, which is made from silicon carbide, rather than a metal cutting blade, which is made from aluminium oxide. Even then, when you use it, you need to wear a respirator because the dust that comes off is harmful. We're now going to cut this piece of 10mm thick aluminium using the jigsaw. Before we do this, we're just going to lubricate the blade slightly using some cutting fluid. As you can see, that was a relatively easy cut. If you're cutting aluminium, you're much better off using a saw rather than abrasive wheel machines.